Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Alright, so I'm gonna attempt to make this pizza. I have fresh dough from Whole Foods. I have pizza sauce, just like tomato pizza sauce. I have pepperonis, and then I have mozzarella cheese. I also have cheddar cheese I'll probably put in there, and then some shiitake mushrooms. What am I supposed to do? Like, is this, I'm trying to think of what they do in the movies, like. I kind of want it to be thin crust. Like, I love thin crust pizza. Like, that would be fire. We are now moving on to the next step, which is going to be the pizza sauce. The pizza is very ghetto right now. I'm not going to hold you. I don't have a cooking pan. At least I don't know. Yeah, I don't think it's a proper cooking pan, so I'm just gonna put it on aluminum foil. And yeah, hopefully it still comes out alright. How much pizza sauce is too much sauce? You know what I mean? Like I bought this sauce just for the pizza. Like, I'm gonna use all the sauce. This is fun. I've never made a pizza before, actually. Like, from dough. Okay, next is the pepperonis. Let's come down. Yeah, there's some big pepperonis. I'm here for that. Okay, this is the finished pizza. I did put some mushrooms underneath. Pepperonis all over top. 2 cheeses. We'll see. Yes, it's not looking bad. Okay. Okay, so I took it out early, but it looks pretty good. Like, I just took a little piece off the side right here and make sure it was cooked good, but like, yeah, I'm not mad at this. Fuck it. False alarm, it's not done yet. Like, there are parts of it that's done. But there are also parts of the dough that's still like doughy in the center. So I'm gonna have to put it back in there. Even on the outside is like pretty much good to go. And like, it's like stuck to the aluminum foil. Like, I didn't do the best job. This was a fail. But fuck it, some of it's good. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so my friend is coming over and I'm about to cook. So I'm gonna make crab stuffed salmon, which I just got from Whole Foods. Looks fucking bomb. Let's go. Yeah, I'm about to throw that in the oven. Damn, lighting is trash. Yeah, so I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna take like some spinach, mushrooms, maybe some, spinach and mushrooms together. Maybe like a little bit of garlic and some lemon juice. And I was thinking of throwing some cauliflower somewhere too, but I got like this like side of some shit, like this stuff. It's like Mexican pasta salad, so I'll mix this in there. It'll be bomb. I did not work out today, man. Like, it was my boy Caleb's birthday, so me and all my friends from New York, we got on a Zoom call and like caught up, did like a little bit of turning up on the Zoom. crazy times we still can't actually meet in person. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. That's been my day, man. I like got up, kicked it, you know. What's up, people? All right, it's Saturday, May the 16th. I have a date that's about to happen in a little bit, but I have some time, so I figure I'll spend it with you guys. What to talk about? Yeah, man, it's May. This year is almost over already, which is kind of like the wildest shit. Yeah, man. Somebody told me I should stop drinking so much wine. I don't drink that much wine, but I do drink a lot of wine, if that makes sense.